Good morning, class. So, in yesterday class, we discussed that water, a abiotic component, is very essential for all of us for the life. Okay, and we discussed that how this water is important for all of us, for plant also, for other animals also. Okay, and we have seen that our planet is also called as the blue planet because you know that 71% of our earth have a water inside it. Okay, so if you see the picture of our earth from the space, it's look blue. Now in the today's class we are going to discuss the various forms of water which is available in the earth. Okay, so when we talk about the forms of water, then water exists in the three form. The first form is a solid form. The second form is called as the liquid form, and the third is a gaseous form. Clear? Now, when we talk about the solid form, in the form of solid, the water exists as ice. In the form of liquid, it exists in the form of water, and in the form of a gas, it forms in water vapor. Water vapor. Okay, so when we talk about the solid form of the water, we have seen a form of ice like glaciers. Okay, glaciers, we have seen that most of the glaciers they are covered with the snow, so that is the solid form of water. Okay, same liquid you can see in the ocean. There is a liquid pond hai, lake hai, river hai, या streams, and they all are the form of liquid in which the water is in the liquid form. Clear? Water vapor, it is available in the atmosphere. When you see that when we boil the water, it goes when it reaches to the 100-degree temperature, then water start evaporation or water vapor goes out and it goes to the around the atmosphere. Okay, so this is called as the water vapor. Okay, acha, if you want to see all these forms, what can you do at your home? Just take a beaker or just take a pot at your home, and what you have to do in this, you have to just suppose this is your pot and you just take a water. Okay, boil this water. Okay, and when you see that when this water reaches to the 100-degree temperature, you can see that water vapor starts going out. Okay, take a lid and cover this pot with the lid. After some time you see that the small droplets of the water can appear here. Why? Because when this water vapor is going outside, and when we cover this water with the lid, you saw that time that water gets cooled up and it condense and it gets again the form of water. Okay, same if you want to see the solid form of the water, what do? Take a fridger. Okay, yeah, inside your fridge, just keep this vase for some time, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 5 hours. After some time you will see that this water is converting into the solid ice. Okay, so there are the three forms. One is the solid, liquid, and gas. In the form of solid, the water exists in the form of ice. In the form of liquid, this is the form of water, and in the form of a gas, it exists in the form of water vapor. Okay, so solid form, it means when we are talking about the snow, glaciers and all, everybody of you have seen that. ठीक है, like winters में तो you can see that snowfall भी आपने देखा है. Fine. Liquid में आप you can see, take the example of river, pond, ocean, lakes, these all examples. Okay, and vapor जो है, water vapor है, that is present in the air, because you know that when the water vapor comes, because it is very lighter in weight, it goes to the atmosphere. Clear? Now let's read what is written in your NCERT. Now, forms of water. Are you afraid that continuous use will someday exhaust all water available for us? You know that water on the earth has been maintained for millions of years by the various process which makes water cycle. You have studied in the class 6. Water cycle already you studied in class 6. थोड़ा मैं बता भी दूंगी. Write in your own word what you know about the water cycle. The water cycle, as you know that, because just suppose, okay, this is the ocean or the water bodies or the plant, this is the land. Okay, here the plant is there. Now what happened when the sunlight is falling in the plant or in the different areas of the surface or in the water bodies, what will happen? The upper surface water goes goes in the form of water vapor and becomes cloud. ठीक है, and when this cloud precipitate, it comes what it again it forms water and it comes back. ठीक है, so ये जो continuous process है to to rain to again to rain to rain to come to the earth surface, and by the process of evaporation it goes up. ठीक है, this is called as the water cycle. ठीक है, already 6th class में you studied up. Now you know that when water circulates through the water cycle, it can be found in all three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. At any given time, somewhere on the earth, the solid forms snow and ice, present as a ice caps at the poles of the earth. ठीक है, snow covered mountains and the glaciers. Liquid water is present in the form of ocean, lakes, river, and even underground water. The gaseous forms is the water vapor present in the air around us. The continuous cycle of water among its three forms keep the total amount of water on the earth constant. Even when the whole world is using it, does it give you any relief? Can you recall the process involved in the water cycle? The following activities will help you. So already in class 6 you studied about the water cycle. Now here you can see the beautiful picture is there. Okay, the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 numbers are given it to you, and here there are some words are given it to you which are not in the proper series. ठीक है, आपको इनको first of all you need to arrange these word in the proper word. ठीक है, like DUCLOS, you have to think what can it be. It might be it is a cloud. ठीक है, so you have to identify these words like this. ठीक है, what this word is, Radgan Ravate. So this is nothing, it is a ground water. If you arrange this spelling, GROUND, ठीक है, GROUND, ground water, this will be a ground water. Clear? Fine. जैसे cloud, this is cloud. ठीक है, this is transpiration. Okay, so what you have to do today, you have to make this picture, you have to arrange these word in the proper sequence, and then you have to write in the proper word. Like this is the groundwater. क्लियर? क्लाउड, दिस इज द क्लाउड. ठीक है, रेन हो सकता है, प्रेसिपिटेशन हो सकता है, इवेपोरेशन हो सकता है. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द वर्ड्स कि क्या हैं ये वर्ड्स. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू राइट दिस वर्ड इन द क्लास वर्क कॉपी एंड मेक अ ब्यूटिफुल पिक्चर ऑफ दिस. ठीक है, now you have seen that many ladies in the summer we saw this picture in the newspaper so many times, the scarcity of water, because you know that 71% of water is available in the earth, but when we talk about the fresh water, so that is very 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 less for all of us. ठीक है, so we need to save the water for the future purpose, and in the summer timing we all are facing the problem of scarcity. You have seen that a lot of ladies and the students and the small children, they are going to fetch a bucket of water for miles and miles away. ठीक है, so this is the very biggest problem. ठीक है, and you can see that after 20 years this problem will be increased because the fresh water resources are very limited, and you know, because of the human activities, whatever the fresh water resources we have, every year, every day we are just polluting them. We are not thinking about how we will get the water in the after 20 years or after 30 years, so it will be the problem. And global warming is again also the very important, very crucial problem you all know. ठीक है, so this picture you can see everywhere in the summers. Ladies are going to ladies and small children and sometimes men also, they went away miles and miles away to fetch water from their daily for their daily works. Okay, so let's read. The water is drawn from nearby lakes, river, ponds and wells. The water is supplied through a network of pipe. Many villages do not have such a water supply system. Their people fetch water directly from the sources. Okay, often people, even children, have to walk several kilometers to fetch water. The children suffer a lot. They cannot attend school regularly since they, आपने भी देखा होगा, in the school also premises sometimes we get the scarcity of the water in the school premises also, है ना. So for अगर if we are not getting the water water in the proper time, then what will be happen? We cannot maintain a hygiene. Okay, so you know that now we all facing this problem. A large number of people draw water from wells, tube wells and hand pumps. From where do these source? sources get water. ठीक है, तो फिर for fetching the water what we are doing, we are just dependent on the natural resources and we use the groundwater. So in the next class we are just going to read about that कि how we are getting the groundwater and how this groundwater is important for us, or is that groundwater can be finished after some time, or it will be replenished after some time. So we will read this in the next video. Till then you have to today work is that you have to write the question number 1, question number 6. Okay, question number 1, question number 6, and question number 9. 1, 6 and 9 is your homework. Why I'm telling it to you, you have to write the question only. Last time we will in the last live class on Thursday we will discuss the answer. ठीक है, तो just write the question. If you will get the answer, click it. ठीक है, और this picture तो you have to make a sketch showing groundwater and water table. तो drawing है तो you can make it after, then tomorrow class we will study about it. Okay.